Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down actually to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and as you can see in my case it's 18 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings than the camera. So if you wish to check some further details, you can simply tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the total screen in particular days of the week. You can compare them, you can go to the previous week of course also, right like that, yes, just by swiping, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. You can also tap on the specific app here and you will be transferred to the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. We've got also some kind of ways to disconnect, so I will just show you app timers and maybe focus mode. So in app timers, after tapping on it, we can enter this list of apps which, let's say, could be distracting, or let's say we are spending too much time on the specific app, for example the camera. So all we have to do is to tap on this hourglass icon, and now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, it means that I can use this app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during a day, and after midnight this timer will be reset, and tomorrow I'll be able to again use it for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Moreover, we can set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes. Tap on OK, and as you can see the camera will be grayed out. It is also visible here, and after attempting to open it we will have this information that the app is paused. So obviously we can quickly turn it off just by going to the settings again, to this ways to disconnect. However, this is the first warning that hello, maybe we shouldn't really try to open it. So this is how it works, and that's quite nice, I would say. And other things like, for example, focus mode. So for example, if you've got a lot of apps which are distracting you, so for example they are sending a lot of notifications, then you can choose them, so randomly those. Tap on set a schedule, and here we can choose specific days of the week and specific hours. So for example your working hours or any other hours you want to, and after tapping on set, your device will basically limit the notifications from those apps. They will hide it, so we will be able to focus on different things like, for example, as I said, working, studying, spending time with your family, or simply resting without the phone, without the disturbance. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.